guess that was the fuel pump. That's my starter. Sounds awesome, right? No worries, I somewhere have a booster. This comes for the help. It's cold here. It's only 3 degrees Celsius. For my other watchers who will eventually see this video, I don't know what it's in Fahrenheit. So, you take the key, put it here, twist it a little bit, see it come off. After that, there is this plastic thing, I didn't screw it. So I can easily take it off, because it's winter time. I push this, I take this clamp on, give it some juice, take the key out, stock exhaust. In this closed environment, it sounds good. It will get too warm to touch if I do it more. Okay, that was a stock exhaust.